This is MAC's Ample Pink gloss. She's cute. She's a winner. Hey guys, and welcome back to Wake Up with Winnie. I am your host, none other than the only Winnie, and welcome back to my channel. I'm gonna do that over again because I keep squeaking. Hey guys, oh, I forgot. Hey guys, welcome back to Wake Up with Winnie. I am your host, none other than the only Winnie, and thank you so much for tuning in today to today's video. It's been a long time, but I'm really excited to be back and in full swing of things. It's been a long, let's say it's been a long hiatus, because I was on a little hiatus, maybe a little sabbatical, if you will. Point this out now, I did not do a tutorial on this eye look. If I get enough yays, I will definitely post a tutorial. So moving on, where have I been? Well, 2018 was definitely a good year for me. It was definitely a year of new things, like graduating, new jobs, this, and it's like, it's just been a lot, okay? It was a lot to handle, okay? 2018, my scalp was right here, and then this was 2018. It was like worked out really aggressively, very aggressively. Chance to travel a lot last year and do makeup for different people, so that's definitely been exciting for me, and that definitely took up most of my time. I wanted to start vlogging videos of me doing makeup, but you realize that it's a lot of work. Like, to sit down and do this and like me having to edit this will be a lot of work, but that part, she's a lot too. So it's like, I don't know if I'm ready for her, but you miss out on 100% of shots you don't shoot. So your girl is in the court shooting, ready, like, I'll just do it. But yes, there's been so much new products in makeup world, and I'm excited to tell you guys that every product that I used today on her was 100% from the drugstore. So it's definitely a video that I'm excited to upload and share with you guys, so you guys can figure out, you know, how to get this beat look. Like, this joint, like, she, woo. Yeah, she did it. She won. What to expect from me in 2019? So I definitely want to start producing more videos for you guys, whether it be a tutorial or a sit down talk, you know, hair tutorial. I'm really not good, but I might try. But I definitely want to start pumping that out for you guys in 2019 a lot, because this will definitely be my first video of 2019. Actually, I'm like really open to suggestions on what you guys want to see from me, because it's been a long time. It's different. My skill level from how I used to do makeup has definitely changed. I have not, however, changed. My only thing that's like different from me is the no foundation. I've not wore foundation in that past year, still won't. I just don't think that, it does not look right with me, and everybody has their own thing when it comes to makeup, but foundation has never been like my best friend. I am a concealer girl from today to tomorrow. I ride out with it. Really, what will be coming from me in 2019 for my channel? Definitely want to do some rebranding too, because I feel like every year you should try to progress yourself. You shouldn't still be in the same stagnant position if you don't see any progress. Now, if you do see progress and you're in the same position, why not stay? But if you don't, or you do and you just want some change, go for it. Like, try to change, make something different, make some shape, like, you know, do something new. I have my holy grail backdrops here. Like, this was like one of my first backdrops that I actually bought for my channel when I started it like 2 or 3 years ago. I don't know how long it's been. I don't remember my anniversary or anything. I just know that this backdrop was the first one that I purchased. My favorite color is pink, so I was like, oh, I have to get a pink backdrop as my first backdrop for my YouTube channel, and I got it. And I still have it, so yeah, I'm gonna be switching that out often. But I was like, oh, I'm doing a, you know, Valentine's Day type inspired look, girl. Thank you guys so much for tuning into today's video. Make sure you guys do what you usually do: thumbs up this video and subscribe to my channel for more videos and updates. And if you're not following me on my social medias, why aren't you? We can talk. We can definitely talk about it. You can still stay connected with me on Twitter, Instagram, and Snapchat. It's all, I believe, down here. You'll see Twitter, you'll see Instagram, and then you'll see good old Snapchat. I don't use that anymore, but sometimes I pop up and I post something from Instagram to Snapchat. So if you wanna, you can. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I will see you guys in my next one. Toodles.